A 42-year-old woman wakes up in bed, visibly exhausted. Despite having slept the entire night, she stretches slowly and looks at the clock with a tired expression. She tries to start her day, but feels a constant sense of fatigue. She goes to the kitchen, makes coffee, and while looking at the mirror, runs her hand across her forehead, feeling frustrated by her exhaustion. She notices her face and sees the signs of fatigue. Even though she tries to maintain a healthy routine with balanced eating and physical exercise, the tiredness persists. She sits down to work and starts looking at the computer, but can't focus. Her mind is scattered and she touches her forehead as if feeling constant pressure. The computer screen shows graphs and texts, but she seems lost in thought, unable to concentrate. She touches her shoulders with her hands as if feeling pain in her joints. The sensation of weakness is evident, and she realizes that her body isn't responding as it should, despite her efforts to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Meanwhile, on her phone, she begins to search for information about excessive tiredness and discovers chronic silent inflammation that can affect the body invisibly. She starts to understand that what she's experiencing might not just be fatigue, but something deeper. Silent inflammation gradually affects the body, targeting important organs such as the heart, brain, and liver. It damages the mitochondria, the body's energy producers, making the body constantly feel exhausted and lacking vitality. She discovers Moringa Oleifera, a plant known for its anti-inflammatory properties and restorative effects. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, Moringa can help the body fight inflammation naturally and in balance. She begins taking Moringa Magic, a supplement that contains ultra-concentrated moringa, developed with modern extraction methods. With consistent use, she starts noticing a boost in her energy, more vitality throughout the day, and a sense of balance and well-being. The woman, now more energized, starts enjoying her daily activities with more energy and motivation. She resumes exercising, and her mental health also improves, with less anxiety and more calmness. Finally, she looks at herself in the mirror, now smiling, realizing that she feels revitalized and happier. Her energy is back, and she's ready to live life with more vitality. Moringa Magic, a natural solution for those looking to restore their energy and health in a balanced, scientific way. If you're tired of feeling tired, click the link below to learn more.